Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, especially if space is at a premium or you're looking for ultimate flexibility. We're talking about the Astercook 23-piece pots and pans non-stick ceramic cookware set with detachable handles. This cream white set caught my eye with its unique approach to common kitchen challenges. Let's start with what really sets this set apart: the high-performance non-stick coating. Astercook claims this is a premium coating, and after putting it through its paces, I can say it lives up to that. Food slides off with remarkable ease, making cooking a joy and, more importantly, cleaning an absolute breeze. No more scrubbing stubborn bits of food. This is crucial for any home cook, and it's especially important here because the coating is also free from harmful chemicals like PFOA. This means you can cook healthier meals for yourself and your family without any worries. The star of the show, however, is undoubtedly the secure removable handle. This isn't just any detachable handle. Astercook has engineered a cutting-edge design with a really secure locking mechanism. When it's attached, you get a stable and reliable grip. I tested this by flipping pancakes and even stirring some thicker sauces, and there was no wobble, no sign of it coming loose. This is absolutely essential for confidence in the kitchen, especially when you're dealing with hot pans and ingredients. This removable handle design directly leads to a couple of significant advantages. Firstly, it offers incredibly convenient storage. Imagine stacking all your pots and pans neatly without handles getting in the way. This set is RV stackable, which is a fantastic feature for smaller kitchens, campers, or even just decluttering your cabinets. Secondly, it simplifies cleanup. You can easily remove the handle and wash both the pan and the handle separately, reaching every nook and cranny. This keeps your cookware and your kitchen spotless. Beyond the clever handle, the versatility of this cookware set is impressive. The pots and pans are suitable for a wide range of heat sources. Whether you have an induction hob, a gas stove, or a ceramic hob, this set is ready to go. They ensure uniform heating, which is key for consistent cooking results, and they do it in a stable and efficient manner. This means you don't have to worry about hot spots or unevenly cooked food, regardless of your cooktop. They are also oven safe, adding another layer of versatility for finishing dishes or keeping them warm. From a construction standpoint, Astercook emphasizes durable construction and quality service. The cookware is made of high-quality aluminum, and both the pots and the removable handle have undergone rigorous testing. This reassures you that the set is built to last, providing durability and stability over long periods of use. The company also highlights their attentive after-sales service, which is always a good sign when investing in new kitchenware. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the non-stick performance is excellent, making cooking and cleaning much easier. The removable handle is a game-changer for storage and cleaning, especially for those with limited space. The wide compatibility with different heat sources, including induction, is a huge plus. The build quality feels robust, and the set is aesthetically pleasing in its cream white finish. However, there are a few things to consider. While the handle is secure, some users might prefer the familiarity of integrated handles. The 23-piece count might be a bit much for some, potentially leading to redundancy if you don't need that many individual pieces. Also, while the aluminum construction is good for even heating, it might not offer the same heat retention as cast iron or stainless steel for certain cooking techniques. And of course, as with any specialized cookware, there's a learning curve to get the absolute best performance out of the removable handle system. In conclusion, the Astercook 23-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set with detachable handles is a very compelling option for anyone looking to maximize their kitchen's efficiency and storage. Its innovative handle design, combined with excellent non-stick capabilities and broad compatibility, makes it a standout product. If you're looking to declutter, simplify your cleaning routine, or just want a versatile set that performs well across different cooking situations, this Astercook set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.